What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. I am out here in Houston, Texas. I am out here in Houston, Texas, giving you guys a speaker shootout here in that home theater dude's house. You can see we got a speaker wall specifically designed for this shootout setup right here. Big thanks to Cameron with Insane AV, our preferred installer down here, for setting this up. Looks absolutely amazing. We got 2 walls on 16-inch centers. I'm gonna be doing unboxing videos of all of these speakers right here. We got a plethora of options here, guys, with totally different technology built in. We got Focal, Episode, we got Martin Logan and ELAC, and many more to come. This is a full lineup of speakers that we do offer, and we ship throughout the entire nation. I'm gonna start by just unboxing the 100 series today. This is the entry-level series from Focal. You guys know that we have really been repping Focal super hard this year because it's an amazing company. I'm just honored to be able to offer this to you. Now, this is a very good price point, very affordable. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right after the intro. Let's go! All right, guys, we got the 100 series here from Focal, and I'm gonna open this in-wall speaker up. This is the 100 IW6. There you go. We got Chris coming up to help me out with this unboxing. Oh, you saying my screw isn't good enough? All right, he's a military man. Gotta have the big shank. Alrighty, so you open it up, you're gonna see a little quick start guide. Kind of shows the speakers that they have in the series. They do have an LCR 3-way as well as the 2-way. We're gonna be opening up today the 2-way speaker. They also have an in-ceiling speaker as well, and they kind of show you inside of here how to install it, which in a separate video, guys, we're gonna show you how to cut these into the wall, as well as some best practices for installation. Okay, we got a cutout template. So this is gonna come in the box with all of these speakers that we're gonna be using in the shootout. It's very standard. What we're gonna do is take the cutout template, put it on the wall, trace it out, and then we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna show you how to do that here shortly. So you gotta subscribe to the channel, guys. We got a lot of content coming your way. These Focals do have magnetic grills. And let's get to the good part, the speaker. All right, so this is the speaker itself. This is the 100 IW6. And this does have a aluminum inverted dome tweeter, and we got a poly 6-inch woofer. You got mid-level and high-level adjustments right here on the front. And you just screw in these screws right here, and these toggles pop out and clamp onto the sheetrock. They go down like that. And we're gonna show the full installation of this here shortly. I guess I'll give you guys an up-close shot of the speaker's backside as well as the front side. Okay. Looks like the tweeter is also adjustable. You can aim it towards your listening area. That is pretty valuable. You'll see on some of these other manufacturers in this price range, that will not be an option. Alrighty, guys, well, that is a wrap on our unboxing video of the Focal 100 series in-wall speaker. We're gonna be comparing and unboxing a bunch of speakers, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you guys would like to purchase, reach out and show your support. We offer free consultations and we ship throughout the United States. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait!